Welcome to you all in my YouTube channel that's simply Yusuf Sir You Study Zoom. Now today we have one more important question of subject physics, which is derive second equation of motion, that is S is equal to ut plus half of at. Once again we have to solve this second equation of motion by graphical method. So let us start. First here we will draw a graph. This is x. What is it?
Y.
This is y axis. And what is it? Origin. Very good. From x axis we always take a time. Time is denoted by t. We will plot a point here or take a point here, that is A. From O to A we will take U. And we will take an imaginary line here. This is the imaginary line. Here we will extend it like this. And we will join this point and this point. We will name this point as a B. This will be point C. Again this will be point B. Here we will also draw another imaginary line. And we will name this point as a B. OA is U. Since we know that it is parallel to CD. So again it is U. This OP is parallel to AC, as OP is how much? T. So this is also T. And this is the angle theta. Let us assume from B to D. B to D. It is equal to V. It is equal to V. Now, what we have to do? We have to find S is equal to ut plus half of at. We will take this figure. You see better here. O, A, B, D in quadrilateral. Yeah, we can write here rather in figure. Figure का नाम बता बेटा. O, A, B, D. O, A, B, D. We have. What is S? What is S? What is it? Distance. It is also called a distance or displacement. I may write here displacement or distance. Displacement is equal, because here is a particular direction, straight line from A to B. So it's a displacement. We will take displacement that's equal to area of figure A, O, A, B, D. I may write here area of figure OABD. OABD implies that displacement is denoted by S, or displacement is denoted by S, or distance is denoted by S. Area figure means there are two figures. One is OABD. This is whole figure, but this figure is divided in two parts. One is OACD or ACB. Because OABD is one figure, full figure कशी पड़ती है. OACD एक figure की figure. Another figure is ACD. अगर मैं मान सर बात बनावा simple word बात बनावा सही figure ये. Then what I shall do? तो ये कि OABCD ना ये कि ये शक्ल ना ये कि यह parallel. ऐसे मतलब ये क्यों च parallel तेरे ये सही बस. ये बनी area of trapezium. So मैं यहाँ पे लिख सकता हूँ area of area को शॉर्ट में लिखिए please. Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. So we will write it like this. S is equal area of trapezium to formula 1/2 sum of, very good, sum of parallel sides into height. You can write here into perpendicular into altitude. S as it is, 1/2 as it is. Sum of parallel side means you have to find from this figure which side is parallel to which side. Since this side is parallel to this whole side, so I may write here OA. Sum means plus BD into height. Here is height taken this side. This side is taken as height into OD. Now use the terms 1/2 as it is into. What is OA? U. So here will be U. BD from B to D. What is it? V. So it is V into OD. OD is equal. Is it clear? Yes. Actually, I have to find S is equal to UT plus half of 80 square. So I may write here S as it is, 1 by 2 as it is, into U as it is. What is here? We know that from first equation of motion, V is equal to U plus 80. So instead of this V, I may take this. So what is here, beta? That will be equal to U plus 80. तो मैं यहाँ पे लिख सकता हूँ U plus 80. लेकिन आउटसाइड क्या है बेटा? इस V के जगह मैंने लिखा U plus 80 because it is already proved by us. S as it is, 1 by 2 as it is into 1U plus 1U, 2U plus खुद का है 80 multiplied by T. अब क्या करना है, इस T को इसके साथ भी मल्टीप्लाई करो, इसके साथ भी, तो ये बन जाएगा यहाँ पे S is equal to 1 by 2 into 2U is RBT, 2UT plus this 80 is RBT, 80 square. अब क्या करना है, now this 2 is divided to whole term, it becomes like this. S is equal, denominator in 1, denominator in 1. 2U's are be 1, that is 2UT. Divide is divide. 2 ones are this plus 80 square ones are 80 square divided by 2 1 are ये 2 और ये 2 cancel it. S is equal to what is there? प्लस टाइम अब इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 1 by 80. जरा इसमें चेक करो, मुझे क्या निकालना था, तो वो यहाँ पे आ गया S is equal to UT plus half of 80 hence write down this. अगर कुछ कंफ्यूजन को भेज हो